Oh wait, hold on. All right, guys. So we chose the free spins before. I don't think we're doing that again.
Not doing it again.
Not doing it again. So let's see.
I'm gonna let you hit the dynamite piece.
Oh, let's go. Let's give us more than 6 dynamites.
Yeah. We need
Come
9.
on. Let's go. Not bad.
You're in a good place, it looks like.
It does look like it.
Good placement.
Yes.
We want our grand.
Come
we want
on,
our
don't.
major.
Yes. Come on, Eureka. Don't waste our spins. There we go. Don't waste our spins. Come on. Connect them. Come on. Oh, major status.
Time for some major
Come on.
damage.
Come on. Connect them. Oh. It's
Time for some
alright.
major
It's
damage.
alright. Our cart's getting bigger.
Finally.
Yeah. Let's go, baby.
I'm gonna let you touch it.
I'll always touch it, baby.
I know you will.
Come on, big numbers, bigger than
There
that.
we go. Glitters. We don't want these piddly numbers. We want
No, we
glitters.
want big numbers. Come on. Big numbers, big numbers.
Hit us with that major in the end.
Come on. Big numbers. Come on. Come on. Don't be done. Don't be done. Don't be done.
Oh,
Aw.
man. Wasn't that much better than
It
our regular bonuses.
wasn't. It wasn't, but it was okay. It feels like it's getting more and more.
It's warming up.
Yeah, it's warming up.